Simple steps to achieve financial freedom. Consider some of your most important life goals. You wish to live in a lovely house? You want to be able to support your family. You want to be able to travel the world and have amazing adventures. What's keeping you from pursuing these goals? Almost always, the answer is money. While you might be able to fulfill some of these goals over time, you'll need to build financial freedom to achieve them all while staying in a strong financial position. Welcome to Business 5, the place where the future millionaires unite to achieve greater success. If you're not subscribed yet, you're being left behind. Hello millionaires, welcome back. Before anything else, what is financial freedom? One meaning of financial freedom is having the financial security to do whatever you want in life without worrying about your bank account. Financial independence means being able to take that fantastic trip to Tahiti without having to worry about missing work. It's purchasing the home of your dreams for your family while still having enough money to pursue your other passions. Some people confuse financial freedom with retirement. And while being able to retire whenever you want is desirable, financial freedom does not have to wait. Financial freedom could mean having the ability to pursue your passions and turn them into profit, depending on your circumstances. It could imply not relying on others. Building a massive action plan or map to break down the steps to financial freedom allows you to connect emotionally to your goal and lay out the actionable measures needed to attain it. Step 1. Determine your number. To you and your family, what does financial freedom entail? Thinking about your number, or the amount of money required to help you become financially free, is one of the most critical steps to financial freedom. For everyone, there is no magic number. You could make a specific amount of money that would allow you to live freely and pursue your passions. What is the value of that? Consider average living expenses, a cushion for unplanned expenses, and a sufficient surplus to avoid financial stress. Make a number that makes sense to you, but keep in mind that it may appear large. Now it's time to do some research. What are your current earnings? What changes do you need to do in order to earn this much money? Step 2. Address your money limiting beliefs. Financial worry may strike anyone, even those with a sizable bank account. You must confront financial fear and the restrictive assumptions that underpin it in order to live the life of your desires. Do you think you'll never be wealthy because no one in your family has ever had financial freedom? Do you believe you aren't talented or intelligent enough to make enough money to be financially independent? You can replace these ideas with empowering ones like, I am an abundance maker, or I am deserving of experiencing financial independence, once you've identified them. Step 3. Take control of your finances. Just because you believe you're deserving of the money you deserve doesn't mean you'll be able to solve all of your previous financial issues. Take a close, hard look at your money in this phase to discover which issues need to be cleaned up. Do you owe a lot of money on the credit cards that aren't secured? Are you carrying a balance on a credit card with a high interest rate? Are any of your accounts on the verge of being collected? If you owe money to others, especially if the debt has a high interest rate, a significant portion of your monthly income will go to them. If you obtain a bonus or a raise, put the money toward your debt as soon as possible. Use the snowball approach to pay off your smallest debt first. Then start paying down the next one with the money you would have spent on it. You'll have more money each month and more peace of mind once you've paid off your debt and created the budget. Step 4. Develop a short-term saving strategy. Achieving financial freedom will take time, and you'll need a reserve to cover any costly surprises that life may throw your way while you put your strategy into action. Once you've paid off your debt, you'll have more money to budget each month, with a significant chunk of it going into savings. You may then put those extra dollars into your money-making machine once you've built a 6-month emergency fund that can cover everything from a sudden income loss to serious medical difficulties. Having an emergency fund is both practical and beneficial to your mental health. When you know you have a financial cushion, you can take greater risks at work and say yes to the events that bring you true enjoyment without fear or guilt. Step 5. Build the machine. Now is the time to figure out how to make financial freedom a reality. Create a money-making machine first. You may accomplish this by utilizing the power of compound interest. Divide your savings into 3 categories: safety, risk or growth, and dreams. All of the money for your bills goes into your security bucket. You need this money to keep your life running. Then there's risk group, which includes high-yield bonds and stocks. Finally, your ideal bucket is a sum of money with which you can have pleasure. It goes here when you get a bonus or win a large sum of money. Many people who are working toward financial independence find it beneficial to engage with a fiduciary who can provide them with knowledge about investing possibilities and assist them in developing the best strategy for the specific circumstances. Step 6. Evaluate and modify. Pay attention as you progress through the preceding steps toward financial freedom and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on your portfolio for any red signals that may be impacting your profits. When you or your partner gets a promotion or a new job with a higher wage, put additional money into your buckets. Keep an eye on the market and diversify your portfolio as needed. If you're dealing with a fiduciary, assess how things are going and make sure they're putting your interests first and that you're happy with the arrangement. You're not obligated to stay with your broker if he or she is a bully or if you don't believe the advice they give you. A new financial advisor may open your eyes to new possibilities, or you may discover that your financial intelligence has improved to the point where you can manage your own investments. Remember that the answer to the question, "What is financial freedom?" may vary depending on your personal goals, values, and living standards. Knowing what financial freedom means to you will assist you in realizing your financial goals. You can achieve financial freedom one day by carefully managing your funds and leveraging the power of interest. Financial freedom isn't about being wealthy, powerful, or famous. It's about being able to make the most of your life without relying on a job or a paycheck. Financial freedom is achievable, but you must start working for it right now. So millionaires, what does financial freedom mean for you? We love to hear your comments, so please join the discussion. And if you are interested in earning passive income in the comfort of your home right online, click the first link in the description or just by going to this site, where you can have a full-time income. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support always. So don't forget to subscribe and please leave us a thumbs up. See you on the next one.